Good morning. My name is Eddie C. and I'm the author of the book Trend is Friend. Today is the 12th of October 2022. It is a Wednesday and the time is 9:46 a.m. I welcome you to my channel By Rationale. By Rationale is brought to you by Trend is Friend Investing Club. By Rationale discusses 10 reasons why a stock is ready for purchase. The stock we are considering for purchase today is actually CIMB Group, a banking stock. Normally, I will look at 5 fundamental rationale and also 5 technical rationale before I consider to buy a stock. The first fundamental rationale is normally I will look at the intrinsic value of the stock versus the market price. So, what is the intrinsic value of CIMB? To calculate the intrinsic value, we take the enterprise value of CIMB, which is 102,002, 102,002 divided by the total number of share outstanding, 10,474. Okay. Intrinsic value of CIMB is 974, 9 ringgit and 74. And the market price this morning is $5.32. So it seems that you are buying CIMB at a discount at the current market price of about, say, 45%. The second fundamental rationale that I normally look at is to look at the price earning ratio. The price earning ratio of CIMB is 15.6. Okay, that is quite a fair valuation. What it means is that if you buy CIMB today at $5.32, it takes about 15.6 years for your payback period. The third fundamental rationale that I normally consider is whether uh, the stock pays a dividend. In this case, CIMB pays about 4.9% per annum, which is I consider a fair uh, cash payback for you, income stream if you are retired. The fifth, normally I also look at the operating margin. Okay, in this case, the operating margin of CIMB on the 12 months trailing basis is 28%. What it means is that I can use this to calculate how many years before uh, the current price of CIMB will double up. You use the rule 72 divided by 0.29%, 0.29. Okay. Oh, sorry. Uh, Rule of 72 divided by 29%. It takes about 2.5 years before CIMB actually can double up, which is good. And the last and final fifth rationale, fundamental rationale is I will look at the free cash flow. But since this is a banking stock, they do not calculate the free cash flow. So we will take the total asset of 653 billion minus the total debt of 102 billion. It has about 500 billion worth of asset, which is considered a reasonably strong company, a blue chip company. All right. Now we go to the chart. The chart actually reflects the market sentiment of a particular stock. All right. Your fundamentals may be good, but you need the market sentiment to be able to forecast the market sentiment, normally by looking at the price action and the volume. Okay. All right. Number one, to be able to see whether this is a good technical stock worth your consideration is to learn if there is a trend forming. In this case, if you look at the chart, there is a higher low form at this point. Okay, the higher low indicates that a trend is forming, right? Okay, first you look at a trend. There is a formation of a higher low. All right. The second consideration technically is to see whether there is a momentum. Okay, normally a momentum is when uh, the the price, the candlestick or the price action is above the cloud. In this case, this is the Ichimoku cloud, and the candle is above. So it looks like there is a momentum going. So and it is also above the 155 line, MA line, and the 233 MA line. So that confirms a momentum forming. Okay, in this case, the the buy strategy is a momentum buy. Okay, a momentum buy, or or in this case you can call it MA233 rebound. Okay, and number four, normally we will look at the risk reward analysis. In the risk reward analysis, what we do is normally we calculate the risk reward ratio. In this case, the risk reward ratio for CIMB is 2.2 time reward against one time risk. All right. Besides the risk reward ratio, we have a target price worked out at $5.85, $5.85, and a stop loss at $5.07, which gives you a return in case this stock favors you, you will win a 2.26 times against a one-time loss. And of course, the last rationale that I will consider is it is actually on wave 3. All right, wave 3. So this is the target that we are aiming for at $5.85. And we are now buying at 5.34. In fact, it has gone up 3 cents since this morning. All right, which is good. So the reason I have given you 10 reasons for buying this CIMB bank, and hope that you have learned something today. If you find this video educational and informative, please like, subscribe, and share to receive future notification. And also, do consider subscribing to the TIFIC membership for receiving prompts whenever a stock trigger is confirmed. Thank you very much. and have a very good day. Bye bye.